Namhlanje sihlangene la eThekwini ukuzowenza i-Back to School campaign esiyetholelwe Intenga Foundation, Hollywood Foundation as well as Santaco Cares.
We've had a very successful Back to School campaign this year, where Hollywood Foundation has been across the country with various stakeholders distributing essentials for learners who are about to start the 2025 academic year. We're very excited of what's going to transpire today. We've got kids already that have arrived, and we look forward to a very fun handover with the kids already starting to play.
Indawo esuke kuyona eMayville uyakubona nje ukuthi makuvula ikolo uyabona nje ukuthi ingane yabo ayilungiselelanga isibona kanjalo, but masu uthola behind ukuthi no man, the situation ekhaya it's bad, it's very bad. Yakho sola ukuthi uma akasebenzi baba akasebenzi sola uzabana ama-ID akayithola i-grant bastrugglisha kakhulu.
Ngibonga umsebenzi omuhle owenziwa uHollywood Foundation, uSantaco Cares, uzoba Intenga Foundation. Usuku lube luhle kakhulu, abantwana bajabulile, sibonile abaphathi abazimisele, abadedicated ekutheni abantwana bazizwe nabo befana nabanye abantwana noma ngabe baphuma emzini engathathi lutho.
And for the fourth year now, we're working with Intenga Foundation and Santaco Cares, where year on year we've seen an increase in our reach to the number of beneficiaries and the number of schools impacted by this valuable campaign. So today here in Durban, we've got 7 schools that we're supporting, and at our next handover, we'll be going out to Zululand region where another 5 schools will be benefiting. And it's just wonderful to see the growth of this campaign year on year as we extend our reach across Mzansi.
It was really fun coming to a new place. I haven't been here before. And I really liked the way I made other friends, and I liked the program too. Today I know that I'm not going to be bullied anymore because today I'm going to be getting new school shoes and I'm going to look like a proper child wearing proper school shoes.
Iy'kole namhlanje ey'shomulile ziwu-8 zonke zisuka la eThekwini ey'ndawo ezakhele idolobha. Ngingabala iMayville, ngibala iBonella, ngibale Olchesterville, ngiphinde ngibale ney'ndawo ey'lapha edolobheni iy'kole ey'se-South Beach nase-North Beach. Kube yintokozo kakhulu-ke namhlanje ukubona abantwana bejabule. So namhlanje bekuwusuku nje la sijabule njengoba nibona emva kwami bajabule bayadlala kumnandi kunje ya. Ilokhu sifike la ekuseni and manje isikhathi sibheke ku-1 o'clock. Le program unyaka wesi-4 siyenza kanye nokubambisana no-Hollywood Foundation kanye nawo Santaco futhi. So ke sithokozisa ukuyibona unyaka nonyaka ikhula ithatha izinga eliphezulu. Okuphinde kusijabulisa kakhulu thina Intenga Foundation ukwazi ukuthi sekunabafundi abase-tertiary abanye ababenefithe kuyo le program le.
It's been amazing. Thank you so much to Hollywood Foundation, Intenga Foundation as well as Santaco for lending a hand. Thank you.